Men themselves have wondered what they see in me. They try so much, but they can't touch my inner mystery. When I try to show them, they say they still can't see. I'm a woman, phenomenally.
Can I talk to y'all? You're beautiful. All y'all. Perhaps the only flaw, some of you don't know your worth, because we need you. I mean, it's definitely a man's world, but it wouldn't be nothing, and I mean nothing, without a woman or a little girl. Okay, Saki, baby.
Ladies, lovely ladies, beautiful ladies, you're so fine, so fine.
It's a man's world, but to keep it real, we need help. He gave us you cause he knew we couldn't do it by ourselves. If God made something better, then he kept it to himself. Cause on this green earth, you come second to nothing else. You are woman, everything I need you to be. Cause anything I need done, you do it so naturally. I'm forever indebted for all the things you do for me, and all of us as a whole, so I guess I'm speaking for we. Without you to hold us down, ain't no telling where we would be. And it's better late than never. Took time, but now I see that without you we ain't nothing. Talking to all the cousins, aunts, nieces and sisters, daughters and grandmothers, and here's the mom dukes. Sweet Sadie, I love you, place no one above you. You're all I ever wanted, you are appreciated. The reason I stand for something, said son, treat them right, so I'm showing love to all my
Ladies, lovely ladies, beautiful ladies, you're so fine, so fine.
and you hold us down because life can be such a challenge. As men, we have the strength, but it's women who give us balance. Our better halves that complete us. Without you, we're just a fraction. How you make it look easy, I never could seem to fathom. To keep the family happy, you damn near bend over backwards. No obstacles are too big, and you juggle so many problems. That's just the start of your talents. Y'all make the miracles happen. If you don't have the love of a good woman, my man, you're lacking. You need that up in your life, and I mean that with such a passion. A good woman that holds you down is such an amazing thing. There is something about a love that really makes you believe that with her by your side, there's nothing you can't achieve. She can take a common man and make him feel like a king. So all of my fellas listen and really need to take heed. Show them appreciation for taking care of our needs. That's why the song is for them, and I'm showing love to all my
Ladies, beautiful ladies. Hey girl, what's your name? Oh wow, you look so nice. I know your man is satisfied. And young lady, what's your name? Oh wow, I know your man is pleased all the way down to his knees. And what's your name? Tell me, I know your man is worried about where you are tonight, huh? Well, ladies, all of you ladies, all over the world,
all y'all.
I want you to help me sing
All
this.
together now.
Here we go.
Come on. Woo!
Ladies,
Mom Dukes, love ain't a strong enough word, baby.
beautiful ladies,
You are appreciated. To the Knox women, you know, all the ladies of my family, you're beautiful.
all of you ladies,
To all the single mothers and strong independent women, I
all of
salute
you
you.
ladies,
I see you, baby.
short one, tall one, big one, small ones,
All y'all, all y'all.
beautiful ladies,
Come on, come on.
lovely ladies. You look so good in the summertime.
That's right.
Ladies,
Saki, baby. I love you.
lovely ladies.
And don't nobody else tell you.
Said you look so good in the summertime.
I love you.
Ladies.
I'm city boy, you already know it. It's mono-yoni, こし当てる homie. So empire の下で We just chilling. この街はが飛びたい After school 街から街へとfly 無してなが streets up から downtown I just wanna get down Time is money, the money has gone Life's a bitch, 金 money out the door 眠らない街へ take a nap まずはやることやって change my life Traffic through my head I get manga right to the left Yakuza flow, bloody shit Brain damage connected with Japan Okama translated You faggot man Anyway this shit is too tight Like this life, long knife Bitches are on a die like a samurai Main idea empty space I'm insane AA Mayday pyramids Goddamn late 3K Inhale flames Aim to spit in your face I've seen too much shit In each state Oversized Ego trip I don't fuck with your shit HIV Spitting the truth until I don't feel my tank I sweat like the earth close to the sun I hate these people like these rappers With nothing to say, nothing to share Combat by in a good way I shoot to the sky until God don't come down And drop to his face this fucking sound Shout this ghost sound I'm disconnected, get closer to heaven But from the underground I live in an opposite situation Life is dead, the soul has a pen They don't know me, they ignore me I see beyond it I wrap myself into parts of oxycontin I do it I'm good, that's the tired Get your light Fast like my fire Repair head, yeah, go to the next step 2 slice pizza 片手にサブウェイ Anyway 楽しまなければいいね Anyway Let's do town no retreat Everything okay, okay No sound, no pain, no gain, no sound Until I go back to my country その前に済ますランドリー Yeah, this is for my from Japan This mixtape 363 days Download it, buy it If you don't do that, I kill you Motherfucker Okay, fuck it And fuck you
Oh, pretty much my favorite smell.
Isn't it?
Oh, that's